Look at this Wild One Dream Van, Hot Wheels 1983 pulling in. Have you seen this one? Me neither. We're glad you came into the club.
It's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club.
Special edition, come with me. Spring has sprung and we are heading out to the garage sales, flea markets, and toy shows. Those are where the greatest treasures are found. You never know what you're gonna find. Somebody stop me! Look at this dream van. Oh, ho, ho. 1983. The vans of the 70s are getting customized. This thing is cool. Look at that back seat. Got some stuff in there, and you even, the coolest thing is you got Fido in there. Look at him, he's protecting that van. Got a mink coat on the back seat. Oh boy, this is one cool machine. Look at those tires and those deep, deep moon crater wheels. Oh, a Goodyear tire? Real riders. Boy, oh boy, little rust on it, but man, this thing is old as can be. I wish your baby was a little cleaner condition, but man, just to have it, I'm happy as a clam. Boy, look at those tires. Look at those wheels. Wow. Here it is. Look at this. A one-side door, you climb between your bucket seats to get into your wild ride. Oh, this glass is a little jacked. Oh, the chicken platter is rocking for ya. Taters and everything, come on in.
I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out.
Don't you wish you had that?
This is the place to be.